All right, here we go. Um, it says give the coordinates of the points here for point A and B. And actually, I'm probably going to do more than just A and B. So the way this works is the graph. We always have a coordinate that is x comma y. So the x-axis is left to right. If you go to the right, that's the positive x direction. If you go to the left, that's the negative x direction. Going up is the positive y, and going down is the negative y. So I got to give the coordinate point for A. So now A is right here. Now the origin is always going to be O, and the origin is 0, comma 0. That's where the x and y intercept or the x and y axis they intersect. So now what I need to figure out is for A, I need to figure out what the x comma y value is to get to A. So my x value, to get to A over here, I have to go 2 units. See how I go 2 units to get to A? So I'm going to do 2 units to the right. It's positive 2 because I have to go to the right. Now I'm going to draw in the positive 2 so we remember that I'm going to the right. Now, for my y direction, I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Going down is the negative value. So that's going to be negative 4. Now, normally we don't write the positive numbers, we just leave them. So A is at 2, comma, negative 4. So whenever we graph a point, we always start at the origin and we go, how much do I go left or right? Do I go in the negative direction or positive direction? That's how I determine the number. And then for the y coordinate, we figure out how much do I go up or down. So now for B, I've got to do the same thing for B. For B, I need my x comma y, and we start at the origin. Now, let me change the color. Let's do green here. Okay. So now for B, I need my x comma y. Where's B on the grid? Right here. So for my x coordinate, I'm going to go from the origin 1, 2, 3 units. I'm going to go 3 units in the negative x direction. So it's going to be negative 3. Now, to get to B from this point, I got to go up 1, 2. Since I'm going up, that'll be a positive 2. Let's try another one. The next one is C. Now, to figure out C, I need to know the x comma y. So to get to C, I start from the origin, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that the positive or negative direction? Is that the positive or negative direction? Positive. You don't know because you weren't paying attention because you're laughing about something somebody said on the other side of the classroom. Don't pay attention. Do you know the answer? Pay attention. It's positive 4. It's positive 4 because we go to the right. Now, I'm not quite at C. I need to go up 2. When I go up, is that positive or negative? Positive. So C is at 4, comma 2. Oh, I forgot to take my allergy medicine this morning. And then when I got to school, I took it. And now it's finally starting to kick in, but it's not quite kicked in yet. Bless you. All right, now for D, D is right here. So now I need your help with D. I start at the origin. How many units do I go to the left or right to get to D? Do I go any units to the left to get to D? Do I go any units to the right? I do? To get to D? D's right here. No. So how many units do I move in the x direction? 0. Now, to get to D, how many units do I move in the y direction? 1, 2 units down. When I go down, is that positive or negative? Negative. Very good. Okay. Lastly, let's do E. E is way over here. Okay. So to get to E, I start at the origin and I go 1, 2, 3, 4 units in the negative x direction. And then I go down 1 unit in the y direction. And that's it. Any questions?